The idea here is we are trying to make the first gen pencil work with the iPad A16, and we don't have the Type-C to Lightning connector or adapter. First things first, you need to even make sure that your iPad supports it from the beginning. Yeah, you can see this is the Apple Pencil first generation, and you can use it only with these iPad models. And the iPad A16 is among the models. And look at this, USB-C to Apple Pencil adapter required with this iPad to pair and charge Apple Pencil. But not to worry, we have a special trick you can use from this video to make the Apple Pencil work without that USB-C to Lightning adapter. First, if you check the pack of the Apple Pencil, you need to get out this particular connector here. This is the Lightning to Lightning connector. Yeah, it's how you're able to use a lightning cable to like plug in the pencil here and then plug in the lightning cable on the other side to charge it without having to like plug it on the lightning port of the previous iPads. You know, this one has a Type-C port now. Yeah, no more lightning. That's what makes everything so difficult. We also need this USB-C to a lightning charger. Yeah, that's the cable. So just plug in the USB-C on one end to the iPad's Type-C ports and plug in the lightning ports to lightning and the other side to the Apple Pencil. Yeah, so the Apple Pencil is currently charging and even turned on. And then we need to go into the App Store and download the app called Bluetooth Assistant. Yep, in my case, I already have the app, so just open it. And as soon as you open it, you would see all the Bluetooth devices that are very close to you. As you can see, this is Apple Pencil, which is what we are looking for. Just to confirm, it's currently not working. We click on Apple Pencil and now it's asking for Bluetooth pairing request. By default, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. As soon as you do that, it's going to pair. And after pairing, we need to unplug it and unplug from here. And after doing all that, let's test it out. Yep, it does work now. There is one thing you need to note. If you want to redo the process, or let's say by any means you disconnect the iPad, you would need to redo the whole process from the beginning. And let me show you what you need to know. You need to go back to settings, you would see Apple Pencil, and you need to forget the device before you go back to redo everything. You must forget it. If you don't forget it, it's not going to work. So forget device. Now it's not working anymore. And you know, to redo the whole process, we need to go back again, plug in the Type-C here, and then plug in the other end to the pencil, and then go into Bluetooth Assistant. And in Bluetooth Assistant, Apple Pencil here again, connecting. If it shows the timeout, you can just refresh and click on Apple Pencil again. Now, pairing request 1, 2, 3, 4. Pair. And it has paired. Always disconnect it. Disconnect. And it's working again. So that's how you make your Apple Pencil work on your iPad without using the USB-C to Apple Pencil adapter. Yeah, this ridiculous device right here. Anyways, thanks for watching.